Welcome to Lead Brakes. My name's Bill Cummings. Today we're going to take a look at our PBKT 6012 power brake booster for the 1973 to 87 Chevrolet C10 trucks. This chrome power brake booster master cylinder is a direct bolt-on to your stock firewall. It will also work with all of your factory brake lines. Let's get this box opened up and show you what's inside. In this kit, you'll receive our 8-inch dual diaphragm power brake booster, which is hand polished before the chrome finish is applied. We pre-assembled this brake booster with the mounting brackets and the master cylinder, presetting the push rod depth between the booster and the master cylinder for you. The master cylinder will need to be removed in order to be bench bled properly. We also include the push rod components needed to mount to your factory brake pedal. If you're looking for these products or any other of our products, check out leadbrakes.com or give us a call at 716-852-2139.